Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering the car to ACC or on so sync wakes immediately. That reduces delays. Make sure your phone has Bluetooth turned on and is discoverable, because sync needs to see the device. On the sync screen, choose Phone, then Add Phone, and press OK to start scanning. This initiates the handshake. It's the fastest, most reliable way to kick off pairing, and it prevents timeouts that happen when you sit and think before starting. Once sync finds your phone, you select its name on the touchscreen. Simultaneously accept the pairing request on the phone so both sides proceed. You'll see a 4-digit PIN match and confirm it on both devices to secure the connection, which prevents accidental links to nearby cars. After confirmation, grant permission to sync contacts and media so calls and music work. Make your device the primary phone if you want automatic reconnecting. Finish by testing a call and playing a song so you verify both phone audio and media streaming. Then practice a voice command. Press the voice button and say, "Call plus a contact name" to confirm hands-free dialing. This proves permissions and routing are correct. If pairing fails, remove old paired devices from sync and your phone, restart both the car and phone, and retry. This clears cached profiles and resolves most stubborn connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.